everyone. Today we're doing a quick review of the rechargeable 1865 headlight from AliExpress, Banggood, Amazon, Lazada, and Shopee. So today we're gonna make us a quick review about what's good about this kind of headlights. This is a portable rechargeable 18650 rechargeable headlights. It has 3 light modes. It has a bright, low, and strobe. Plus it has an adjustable focus field depending on the range you would need. It has a generic micro USB charging port, an 18 built-in battery rechargeable 1855. That I'm not sure about the capacity. 1 to 10, I would rate this as a 6. 6 given that the downside for this kind of design, it tends, when you mount this on your handlebar, it tends to fall forward because of the weight of the focusing lens. Now, that's one issue for this device. The second one is the mount itself could easily break. As you can see here, this rubber strap is being held in place by this small plastic. After a few tries of using this over a 7-day period, it broke off, and then it's not usable anymore. So 1 out of 10. The design, yes, it's 6. For the durability, it's something that I consider 4. If you really want this kind of headlights for your scooter or your bicycle, this might work for you, but you have to remember that after a few meters you have to stop and remount the headlights again, because this tends to fall forward most of the time. For the running hours, for the high beam mode, I was able to get 4 hours from the high beam mode. For the low mode, drained and fully charged, I was able to get 6 hours. And for the strobe, I was not able to measure the time, since this kind of lighting for the room, it's kind of dizzy for your head. So overall charging, 0 to fully charged. There's a light indicator inside here. Takes me from 30 to 45 minutes. Overall, this is a good quality LED. It doesn't tend to get hot after 4 hours of usage, because this focusing field acts as a heat sink. If you want this, it works for you, and if you're not curious with the design, it's a buy. But if it's something that I would use on my scooter, nope. But it's something that I would like to have, but not something that I could recommend all along. Now, for a quick video on this capability, let's turn off the light so you can see. Going for wide, that's the full blast of the LED. Focusing, it has a square Kobe LED inside, low mode, and strobe mode. Overall, the maximum capability of this could surpass or probably equal to a Gasher on 1600. So if you have two of these, it's actually very, very bright. So that's the DIY review for the 1865 rechargeable headlight from Banggood, Lazada, AliExpress, Alibaba. Once again, this is our DIY